Okay, so in this part of video, I'm going to teach you on how are we going to identify the number of solutions or the number of solution of a system of nonlinear equation if we're going to use the graphical method. So basically, if we are given a graph, okay, with that graph, we can now identify the number of solutions or solution in our nonlinear system of equation. Take note that in identifying the solution or solutions of a nonlinear system of equation, nakadepende po siya sa kanyang intersection. So meaning to say, in our first case, okay, there is no solution if the graph of the system of nonlinear equation ay wala pong nag-intersect. Meaning to say, wala ni isang point of any of the given graph from the other graph, okay, of your equation ay nag-meet. So meaning to say, in graphical method, there is no solution if walang nag-intersect. Okay? The other way around, we have one solution if any, okay, of the point of your graph nag-intersect sa isang point from the another graph, meaning to say, we have one solution. Okay? Now, the other way around, we have two solutions if dalawang nag-intersect or dalawang points ay nag-intersect sa ating graph. And we have more than two solutions if, okay, more than two solutions if more than two rin ang nag-intersect na points sa ating graph. Okay? Naintindihan? So, we have no solution. Ibig sabihin, walang nag-intersect na point. And then, one solution, if mayroong isang nag-intersect na point from our graph, and we have two solutions, if we have two points na nag-intersect from our graph, and more than two solutions kapag more than two ang nag-intersect na points from our given graph.